Hello, welcome to the property at 5520 101st Place in Lubbock, Texas. Here's walking through the front of the house. The entrance area has hardwood floors, and then there's a coat closet. Some natural lighting in the entranceway. And then coming along through here is the living room, fireplace with lots of built-ins. You have a ceiling fan, several windows. Go on to this first bedroom. One of the things about this house is it has huge walk-in closets, bigger than most that you would expect from these rooms. So good sized bedroom. You can kind of see the closet here. So it's a very good sized closet, and it has its own light as well. Going through here's a little hallway. Here's the guest bathroom. Nice and clean. Has a tub shower combo, a newer toilet. Everything's in good condition. So there's the bathroom. Then coming through the little hallway, here's the second extra bedroom. Has a huge window, tall ceilings, ceiling fan. Kept up very well, and this one as well has a very big walk-in closet with its own light. Coming back through that hallway, back through the living room. Again, just great features here with the fireplace and lots of different lighting options. Now coming through the kitchen, the oven, stove, and microwave will convey with the property. Here's the pantry. Lots of shelving, has its own light as well. Great countertops, lots of cabinet space. The dishwasher will obviously stay as well. It's got the corner kitchen sink with lots of natural lighting options. And then there's a separate place for the dining room area. Has its own light fixture and ceiling fan. Again, lots of windows throughout. Now cutting over back by the garage, but from the front doors, the laundry room has washer dryer hookups. The washer and dryer will not convey. And then there's the storage and shelving above that. And then coming in here is the garage, 2-car garage, automatic. There's the attic access, and that's where the washer, or where the hot water, the water heater, and the HVAC are located. And then here's the master bedroom, tall ceilings, ceiling fan with lighting as well as the windows. A lot of outlets are available. Then coming through here is the master bathroom. Has a huge walk-in shower. Has a double sink. There's the toilet area with storage above. And then it's got 2 separate walk-in closets that each have a light. Here's that walk-in shower. To the backyard. The hot tub won't be there. The owners are taking that with them. But the shed will convey with the property. You have a tall privacy fence that is in really good condition. It has the concrete base You have a couple of trees in the corners and a lot of little areas around here you can do your own gardening or whatever you need it for. But the shop, the storage shed, and then the tall fence, great big backyard. Very secure.